Hi everyone, I'll show you how to remove and install your Moto E5. As you can see right here, SIM card and memory card. So you'll start from this corner, the bottom left corner. There's a thing where you can pull the back cover off. So just remove this back cover off, and here's your SIM card and memory card slot right here. So your memory card is going to be right here. So you can just pull it out and stick it back in. It'll show you which way it's supposed to be in. There's the picture right here. So look at your memory card and look at the picture. That's how it's supposed to go in. And to remove the SIM card, you'll need to pull out the battery also. And then pull on the top and then pull it out. It takes a little bit of time. I can't even take it. Let's use this screwdriver to pull it out. So here's your SIM card, your Moto. It also shows which way it's supposed to be in right here. It shows which way, and then you stick your battery back in and the back cover, and that's how it is. So it's pretty easy. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.